we'll guide you through how to set a live wallpaper on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and have a live wallpaper. What is a live wallpaper? Well, it's one that's going to go and move. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may miss an important part of this. So to go and get started, you need to go and have a live wallpaper to go and use. So you can go and see here, if we go and come to a photo, it's live, it says that in the top left. It needs to go and be a live photo in order to go and be used as a live wallpaper. So after you've gone and got yourself a live photo, you can see I tap and hold it, it goes and moves. What you can do is go and tap on the share button in the bottom left. Then what you can do is you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for use as wallpaper and you want to go and tap there. It's going to go and prepare, and what you need to do is you need to go and tap this icon in the bottom left with this little line through it, and that will go and make it start moving. You can go and then pinch it to go and adjust how you want it to go and be. I want it to be quite centered. And of course you can add other things to the wallpaper. Then you can press add in the top right. You can go and choose the pair. I'm just going to press customize home screen and unblur it. Then I'll press done. You can now go and see it's going to go and move.